Sure.
So, first of all, congratulations on clearing your PMP exam. It has been a great journey for you. I have been following your journey and we have been communicating along the way. So, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling very good. Big sense of achievement. I had
Okay.
just been, pushing it for different various reasons,
Okay.
but I'm glad, and I owe a part of my success to you. I wish I
Okay.
had come across your 7-day crash course or something, but when I communicated with you, I didn't even have 7 days. But I'm
Yeah.
so thankful for you that you took out the time to respond to my question, and I knew I have somebody in case I need to clarify anything for.
Happy to help.
And
Happy
I
to help.
appreciate your humbleness and modesty on that, Amir.
Thank you. Okay, let's talk about your preparation. How did you prepare? Especially, tell me about your last week because since I am interviewing a lot of people, we most of the audience is now not interested. Like about 6 months ago, we started. Everyone started long time ago,
Yeah.
planned there. But what did you do in last 2 weeks? Because that is a really difference maker.
So we know, that the resources are flooded on all social media,
Sure.
WhatsApp groups, blah, blah. You have everything. I was like, taking an exam almost after like, 25 years back, I had finished my education. So,
Okay.
I was like, what is this? It's good
Okay.
to have some monitoring, but this was like too much.
Yeah.
I just read PIMBOK, I had read Rita long back, and
Okay.
then I just signed up for Prepcast. I
Good.
did few tests.
Okay.
Those were also not too great when I had shared my score, right? Because
Yes.
family in between,
Makes
okay,
sense.
finish it. I don't care, what is it showing? Because all I focused was which ones I did wrong. And then I tried to, I mean, I didn't have the patience, and I'm not that methodological to make an error log, but I could spot that, okay,
Okay.
this is the frequency I'm getting this stuff wrong. Okay, how can I work on it? I just try to push focus my attention on those areas, and then I just said, let me just do it. I mean, it's doable. It's because it's not it's not that you mug up everything and then also it is not 100% success rate, because it's an exam that requires an application of knowledge also,
True. That's
right?
true. That's true. That's so true. Much true. Okay.
So then I said, now I've scheduled, I'm not going to take it back and reschedule. I'll just go for it with the best of the ability I have. And I
Okay.
just went for it.
That's good. That's very good. Okay. Tell us about your exam. So how were the first of all, was your exam in center or in home?
No, no, I am in US, and we try to avoid going to even for our necessities. So it was a remote I took online.
Okay.
Uh, the experience was okay. It did take a little longer than 4 hours because I did check in, almost 30-35 minutes prior. And then
Makes
it
sense.
didn't start at my scheduled time. For maybe they were validating my ID, and, I had to take all those pictures and stuff. So maybe
Okay.
their process took some more time.
Okay.
Exam was good. I would say that if I have to frame it, I would think it more like a PMI mock,
Okay.
except that the length of the questions was long. I never had
Okay.
timing issues
Okay.
with
Okay. No, no,
Prepcast.
no, no. PMP question, PMI questions were long, or your real exam questions were long.
No, the outline was more based on PMI mock, but my
Okay.
real exam questions were long worded. Like
Okay.
even on
Okay.
the laptop screen, they were like 3-4 lines. Unlike the PMI mock is like so short in
Okay.
2-3 lines.
So that's
So
a
the
new one.
wording was
That
long.
that's a new one. Okay. Okay. Then
Then, I mean, it was like we all know, right? The way it is distributed, it was pretty much the same standardized format.
change
Not
request,
many new,
like same 30 to 40 question change request, majority focus on communication and stakeholder, right?
right?
Okay.
Yes. Then
Okay.
I had agile questions
How many?
with, I mean, it'll be hard for me to quote a number, but I would say not more than 12,
Not
but
more than 12. Okay, but more than 10, I would say then.
yes, I would say, like, in
Yeah.
some way the term was covering, or maybe a 1 or 2 line scenario was there, and
Okay.
then you have
Okay.
to pick out the term related to agile
Okay.
on it.
Okay. Okay.
Then I had, maybe three network questions, the scheduling questions,
Okay.
and earned value we know are were there, but not really calculating decision tree or any big long calculations. It was more of interpretational questions for
Okay.
estimated
Okay.
completion or
Okay.
BAC.
Okay. So let Vani, tell me one thing. Since you have done good amount of mocks, you have done prepcast. Have you done TriDev also?
No, I didn't. I
Okay.
didn't.
So prepcast, you have done all 7 tests.
No, I just did. I think I did. I didn't do all, but I did five from that.
Okay. So and you did PMI mock. You already explained the PMI mock. Which exam was more near to it? Because now it's not the time to go into details for all the students. Now we are more looking toward hacks. So I, although hacks are not applicable all the time, as you said, that the thing you said was extremely valuable for all the students, that you have to apply your experience into the exam. So do share about that thing. So which mock was more relevant to like real exam?
Well, Amir, my opinion might differ on it because I mean, see, when you are in that board of 4 hour exam and you are just you're just sitting there and it's going by itself, right?
Sure,
I ca-
sure.
I do not want to, I mean, I want my advice to be helpful to anybody. I do not want to quote what exactly was it because maybe I don't even remember now what
Okay,
exactly was it,
makes sense. Makes
right?
sense. Makes sense.
All I can say is that if you know the concepts and if you can interpret the situation or the scenario they are talking, the
Okay.
answer comes by itself,
Okay. So
right?
what I can say that like I keep on saying, understand the flow of 49 processes, master the outputs, master the major tools and technique, and if you can understand how communication change request, risk, their flows, you can clear the exam. Is that so?
Right, you are right. Your way of teaching, few videos I've seen of yours, that is good. And those things will definitely help. But sometimes it for a person, for me, overwhelming to memorize the outputs, blah blah. So I just kind of, try to just thinking the important ones, and then I just try to see how they all flow
Okay.
in,
Okay. Makes sense.
and then
Makes sense.
I just read it, the question, and see, okay, if you can pinpoint the problem the scenario is experiencing, then you can figure out the answer very right. I'm
Okay.
not saying I got all 100% right, but I mean that is a key to success. First is
Okay.
know the concepts, very
Okay.
important, because it's a big exam. You've put a lot of effort, you've put a lot of money, you just don't want to take a chance on it.
Sure. Sure. Makes sense.
But
Makes sense. Makes sense.
yes,
Yeah.
but
Uh,
mocks, I don't know how, I mean, I don't know, my scores were not that great. But what I thought was, okay, I know the logic, I know how to handle things, let me go for it. And before I sat, I was like, I visualized PMP after my name. I'm like, I have to
Ah, you
get
did.
it.
You utilize visualization. Like in my coaching program, one day before, and on the day of the exam, we do like a complete 15 to 20 minute of meditation. And I'm
Oh,
happy you did it yourself. That's great.
oh, okay. I wasn't aware, but when I sat, I'm like, I have to get this PMP after my name today.
So
And, just go
visualization
for
does
it.
work. Visualization does work. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Then, okay. After that, once you are done with the exam and all these things, any final advice you would like to give to the all aspirants who are preparing for the exam? How should they prepare, and what are the things they should understand?
See, I know when they are doing your programs, you have abundance of knowledge, and you are a very good mentor and coach. And I'm sure everybody will learn a lot through you and their resources. Only thing I want to highlight is that, guys, believe in yourself, right? You have to have the confidence that you can do it, and you will do it. And don't try to cram up things and stress yourself. Go with a attitude and a relaxed attitude. Like, I had a lot of fears. Oh, what will my kids think? I have older kids. What? But put all the negativity aside. Trust yourself, trust the work, trust the knowledge you have gained. And now so much is there on the visual aspect. If you don't want to read from books or write it, you can watch the videos. Like, there is no end to learning these days with the technology and internet. So understand the concept, feel if you're lagging somewhere, watch a video if you don't want to read, and do the mocks. They give you that sense of discipline. They make you sit for 4 hours. They boost your confidence. And I'm sure everybody can make their way out.
Thank you, thank you. That is a great advice, Vani. I really liked. Are you a teacher? Or this?
Sorry?
Are you a teacher? Or this is coming from a mother side?
Well, Amir, when I was in India years back, I was senior faculty for business
So,
mathematics.
so it seems like now that is coming back to you when you are telling the whole the story.
And
How?
that is the thing.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
got it.
yeah,
You
yeah.
got it.
Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you, Vani. Thank you very much for your time. I understand that it's a morning and you just want to spend the time with your kids. So thank you
No,
very
no,
much. Thank you very
no.
much
Thank
for
you
your
so
time.
much. My, sincere thanks for taking out the time, even when I was not your student and you had the courtesy to reply back and boost my confidence. Appreciate it. Keep doing the good work. And if I can be of any help, let me know. Thank you
Just
so
keep on
much.
helping other aspirants. Thank you very much. See you, Vani.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye.